In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a cordless electric mop, actually a dual head cordless electric mop. I've already had this out and kind of used it, but I took it back apart for the purpose of this video, and I'm just going to like show y'all exactly how this thing works. You can see how it is right here and how it collapses down, and it's got 3 different types of attachments with this thing. And it, by the way, it uses a Dewalt 20-volt battery, so you're going to need this. This is not included, but I do have 20-volt batteries for Dewalt here that I use on tools. So if you got some Dewalt batteries, you should be in business. So I'll set that down aside right here. This does not come with it, and I'm going to show you everything that does come with it. So you get the handle itself right here, and it's very simple to put together. You get different types of attachments, and there's the soft cloth right there. Here's all of the attachments, so that shows you what you get. Little set of instructions. There's the expandable handle. That's kind of like the hand grip for the left hand while you're holding it, left or right. So a little small measuring cup for putting water and cleaning solution down inside of here. And I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put me some pine sol down there, a bag, an attachment, I think that goes to the handle, some gloves, and a place to mount it to the wall. Just so you know, you can mount this little thing to the wall. So yeah, let me go ahead, put all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like together. And then I've got a hardwood floor here. We'll get some pine sol and we'll mop this floor. So let's do that now. Show you how this thing works. All you do is screw this handle into there, screw that handle into there, and then screw this on. Seriously, 3 items. It took me maybe 2 minutes to install this thing. And you can't do it backwards. They actually line up so that way it's done right. To extend it, you're going to hold that down and you can extend it out, and you can see how big it is right there. And then to put the heads on here, you've got these things right here, but watch this. These actually pop on. You see how that Velcro piece goes on there like that? So once again, you see how the edges are right there. So what's that? That just pops on there. If I want to change these cloth out, super simple to do that. And to add your cleaning solution, goes down right there, and you use your foot to mash down right there, and that's what squirts it in there. Now, let me show you where the battery goes. See, it goes in just like that. And then to turn it on, hit the button once, twice. There's 3. We are full. So 1, 2, 3. You can see I'm on high. My battery's at 75%, and I can clean the floor. There is a small light. I didn't even know that little light was on there. To squirt the fluid, you'll mash that right there. Let me add some cleaning solution in this, and let's mop this hardwood floor and see what it does. Okay, so I got me some pine sol and water right here. Let's just try to go right in there like that. It's a nice little pour spout on it. That seems to work fairly well. And it's got a little mixer right here, so you know you're getting the right amount. So now I added the solution to it, and you can see my hardwood floor right here is not like, it's not dirty, but it's not clean. Let me go ahead and hit the hardwood floor and then the linoleum in there, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, here we go, everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. There's it on. Now when I mash this, see how it's just barely putting it out? Every time I turn that on, look how much it's putting out. Wow, so when it's on high, it's also squirting on high. You guys see that? This thing seems to work really well on hardwood floors. It's got this rotating head on it, so it kind of goes in between my table here. I don't even know if you need this second handle, honestly. I don't see a reason to use that second handle. Hit these linoleum in here. Yeah, you could easily do a whole house with this. It seems to run out of water pretty quickly, so it looks like you're gonna have to fill it up a lot faster than what you think. Maybe don't turn it on high, run it on low so it doesn't run out so quick, but it's cleaning very nicely, everybody. Let's check it out. You can see right here. Yeah, look at that. And then to clean these or take them off, you just peel them off right there and clean them. What is that? I think that's to turn the switch to get it on and off. So I will have to fill it up again. I'm gonna fill it up a little more, do some more cleaning, clean this area in here a little more, but check it out. Look how nice and shiny my floors look. Everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants to have like a quick kind of spin mop that can kind of like clean the floors, whether it's linoleum, whether it's your kitchen, or maybe even your front porch or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, spin mop, Dewalt version without a battery. See you on the next video.